In this video, I will show you how to adjust the essential settings for this watch, Casio AE1200W. So actually, it has the same functions and menu like this one, the AE1000W that we have on the previous video. But since the layout is different, I think it's going to be more helpful if I make another video specific for this model. Okay, first let's move to the timekeeping mode like this one. So if you're in the other mode, make sure you're back to the timekeeping mode like this. Okay, and then to adjust, press and hold the adjust button at the top left like this, and now we can see that the second is blinking, and if it is 29 or less, then it will change to 0, and if it is 30 or more, then it will be 0 with additional minute. Okay, now to move to the next item, press the mode button like this, and it will go here off DST, meaning the daylight saving. So if you want to activate this one, press the search button, or in this case I want it to be not active, so I just let it off like this setting, and then again press the mode button. We change or we move to the city. So this is PKK Bangkok. Actually I live in Jakarta, Indonesia, but that's not available in this watch, so I choose the other city with the same time region. And you can move or change the city with these two buttons. Okay, Singapore, Hong Kong, and so on. So I'll just return to PKK Bangkok. Okay, and then next press mode button again, and we are moving to the hour. Okay, we can add with the search button and reduce with the light button. Okay, next mode button again, and we can adjust the minute, search to add, and light button to reduce like this. And then this one is the 12-hour format, or AM PM, and 24 hours. So we can press the search button to change. So this one 10 PM or 22 in the 24-hour format. So I will let's just use this one, the AM PM. Okay, and then press mode button again. We are moving to the year. Again, we can use the light button to reduce, search button to increase or to add, and then press mode button again. It moves to the this one, month, same thing, and then the date, also same thing, and then this one is the length of the backlight. So it has two options, one meaning 1.5 seconds of backlight, and 3 meaning 3 seconds of backlight. Okay, we can then show the next item again, press mode, and it will show the seconds again. And to exit from the adjust mode, just press the adjust button on the top left. Okay, another thing you can do with this watch is the LCD check. You can do that by pressing 3 buttons, this one, adjust, mode, and search, and then it will show like this, all the LCD check screen. And then press the search button, it will show the next screen. Press again, it will show this one, the module or program code. And okay, now return to the timekeeping mode. Another thing that you can do is to activate the mute or the silent mode, and to do that, press and hold the mode button like this. Okay, now it shows mute, meaning that it doesn't beep anymore. So if you press any button, it doesn't make any sound. And then to exit from this mute or silent mode, press and hold the mode button again like this. Now the mute logo or symbol is gone, and it's returned to the original condition, or the not mute or not silent mode. Okay, now I'm pressing the mode button, return to timekeeping. Yes, that's all for AE1200 or AE1200W from Casio. I hope this video is helpful, and yeah, thank you for watching. Good day, and see you again in the next video. Bye.